Long day. I'm hungry. I'm gonna make something to eat. Make a wrap. Sounds good. Oh. Countess. Oh, Countess.
Yes, Christoph?
Can you make a perfect pot of pickled peppers again? We're all out.
Sure.
You're the best.
Well, mortals, you guessed it. Today's video is my perfectly sweet pickled peppers. Excellent for sandwiches, wraps, and all your tasty little treats.
Burgers. You munching on them by themselves.
They are a staple here in the lab, and we love them. They're so easy to make, you're going to love them too. Let's start off with our ingredients. We're going to need some small or large bell or sweet peppers.
Okay. Some
sugar, some white vinegar, some pickling spice, and some water. And that's it. Super simple. First thing we're going to have to do is clean and wash our peppers. And you want to get them nice and clean, and then we get to
make vegetable murder.
Yeah, you want to slice these guys in nice little rings so that they're nice and easy to handle, and they'll make the perfect little sandwich bite. So we'll get to washing, cleaning, and slicing. We'll speed this up so you guys don't have to be bored. Alright, so we've got our peppers in the pot, nice and pretty, nice and evenly sliced. We took out the seeds. You can leave the seeds in if you want, but I just don't like crunching on them. And they do add a little tiny bit of a kick, but not a lot.
Okay.
We are going to now add our vinegar, water, and sugar and spices to this mixture, and we're going to put it on the stove. So for vinegar, we're going to put in 1 cup.
And this is white vinegar.
White vinegar, yep. We need 1 cup of water.
Got it. 1 cup of water.
One cup of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of pickling spice.
For the record, you can find pickling spice pretty much anywhere.
I go through a lot of it though.
Now,
we're gonna put this on the stove, medium-high heat, bring it to a boil, and you're gonna boil it for 5 minutes.
Yep.
You're also gonna stir it occasionally. You don't want any of the sugar to crystallize in the bottom, so you want to keep things moving. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and our pickles are ready to go into the jar. This is a quart-sized jar. You want to make sure that it's nice and clean and sanitized before you put their pickles in there. Same goes for your lid and seal. Oh, I highly recommend you get someone to help with this part of the process. It'll help you not get burnt. Now, before you put your lid and seal on, you want to take a wet paper towel and wipe off the area where your pickled pepper jar lid is going to sit so that it doesn't stick and seal permanently. Otherwise, you'll never be able to get into them.
That'll be a tragedy.
That's really important, especially if you're going to store this into a cellar or a pantry and you want them canned. So you're going to put this lid on as tight as you can while not burning your hands. And then you're going to take a towel. You're going to lay the towel down on your surface and flip your jar upside down for about 2 to 3 minutes. After the 2 or 3 minutes, flip your jar back upside down, and the pressure inside should pressurize that lid and seal it in there. We're not going to do that because we're going to be eating these right away. You can eat these right away since we boiled them for the 5 minutes. They'll be nice and tasty right away, so you can use them. You just might want to let them cool a bit because they are hot.
Alright, so Countess, now that we've done all the peppers and everything, could you maybe summon me up a sandwich?
You want me to summon you a sandwich after we just made all those peppers?
Yeah?
What are we making for?
To go on the sandwich.
Oh. Sure.
Wow!
Sandwich granted.
Excellent!
Well, it's a wrap, but...
Close enough.
Close enough. Thank you for joining us on this fun video for pickled peppers. Give a big thumbs up if you liked what you saw today.
Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab.
If you like those bats in the belfry and hit that bell, you always get notified.
Thank you for joining us here in the lab again, and we'll see you around here next time. Bye.
Good evening, mortals.